morning, guys and dolls, and today's a bit of an exciting day. We're going to go off-roading in my Landrover and take it to a quarry up the road. So that's why I'm wearing rough trousers with paint stains on the crutch.
That's what he says anyway.
The guys at work, their little joke. Anyway, we've got one little setback at the moment, well, two setbacks at the moment, stopping to get to the quarry. And that is, I've had new tyres, well, old tyres that were in my dad's back garden fitted to my Landrover, and they don't hold air. So it's tyre number one. What it should look like is that one over there. So having one punch is not usually a problem if you've got a spare tyre, but having two punches, it's going to be more of an issue. So I've got a couple of inner tubes, they're slow punches, so we're going to whack some air in, take it to the petrol garage and get them to whack the inner tubes in, and then hopefully we'll make it to the quarry. So let's get some air in those tyres. Let's go. Here we are, Dawn's Mini to the rescue again. It's quite a quiet running machine. Whacking some air in that tyre. Up she goes. Technology, eh? Okay, right, tyres are inflated now, so start her up and get to the tyre fitting place as quick as we can because the tyre's going back down again. Battery's dead though.
Have you got jump leads?
Okay, there's three things wrong with the vehicle. The third one being the battery's dead. I've got jump leads and her mini's side the car conveniently, so we'll get you jump back. We've really got a limited time to do this now.
Probably should have done it first.
I think also when the jump leads may be broken.
What gave you that idea?
It's not meant to look like this. I'm not optimistic about this stuff. Oh no. Stay. You're not meant to film when it all goes wrong, Don. To show them the good stuff. Alright, that one's on. I can go the normal way first. That one's lost its springiness.
You have to hold it.
Yeah, awesome. Ah, pop your bonnet. All I can hear is air coming out of the tyre. What's quick release battery box? Right. I just need to sort this shit out.
No swearing on camera.
I need to sort this bloody thing out.
No swearing on camera.
Ah, please work. Right, we need these jump leads done. These plasticky ones are not very good.
Okay.
Oh, just work. Why don't you work?
Can't you just put that on Mini first and then hold it on?
I don't know. It ain't got a spring in it anymore.
Yeah, but you can hold it.
I was hoping that. Yeah, it's kind of
You don't have a choice.
hold on here. Maybe you're right. It's 1 minute here.
Oh, I didn't mean that, but okay.
No.
I didn't mean that.
Oh, you need to put that one on first.
Yeah, obviously. And then hold that one on.
Yeah, but it's all live there, and I've got to turn the engine over somewhere.
Would you want me to do it?
Yeah, make sure it's not gear,
Do you want to do it?
Do you want to hold this on there?
No. It's a bit scary.
No, you'll be fine.
You might get an electric shock.
No.
You say that, I don't feel very confident in the way you said that.
Whoa, here we go.
Oh god. Precariously placed. this gonna work?
Good for the driver's side.
Nathan pleading with the car.
Okay, put the Landrover going. What the fuck was that? Tyre going down. And we're trying to get to the tyre place as quick as we can. To get the new tubes in so we can go to the quarry and have an amazing day off-roading in this reliable vehicle. Without stalling it, so the battery's dead. Oh thank God, there's no traffic. There we go. Right, we've made it to the tyre place so far. Not jumping the traffic lights at all.
Maybe a little bit.
And we're going to get the tyre sorted out. As I said many times in this video so far. Second game. Oh, come on. I'll just drive straight in.
No.
Oh, there's a car there.
Go over in the car park.
No, I'm going beside it. Look beside it.
Nathan, go in the car
Oh,
park.
in the car park now. Oh, I get on camera door. Why not start again in the car park?
Oh, you have to run that risk. Of course it will. Leave it running if you want while you run in.
Run in, run in.
Well, yeah, just keep it running for now.
You know how many miles per gallon this vehicle does? We'll turn the bastard off and push it. Right.
You know
That's
how
the
heavy
keys.
this is?
Any keys to turn off? Screwdriver, something?
Yeah, let's tell everyone it takes a screwdriver.
Okay, right, here we go. My door's locked itself. So, went to this garage. They can't fit inner tubes in the tyres because they ain't got the experience. They can do normal tyres, but they can't put inner tubes in the tyre. They're too scared of ripping them to shreds. I think it's easy, but what do I know about tyre fitting? Yeah, so we're going to go try and find a place to fit these inner tubes on Sunday. It's not looking good for the off-roading, but we'll give it a go. Oh, and our tyres are going down as we speak. Cool. It's not going to start, Dawn. Please. Bloody hell for batteries.
What are we going to do?
Let's push it.
Yeah, but we can't, it's too heavy.
Good choice.
Oh dear God.
Right. You're going to have to jump start, put it in second gear, clutch down. Remember how we did the YouTube video for the Beetle? We're going to do it for the Landrover, Dawn. Do you feel prepared?
No.
The only difference is about a ton and a half, but we'll be fine. Right, let's go.
Can't they just give us a jump?
That's the easy option. Let's try plan A first.
So, what are you doing, Nathan?
Well, we didn't make it back on the limited air supply we had in the tyre. Went to, what, 3 garages close to us.
Yep.
2 of them couldn't fit in the tubes into tyres, and one was shut. So, limping home, well, we ran out of air and had a flat tire. But anyway, so I'm going to have to try and fit it myself now. I've done the hard part. I've managed to take the tyre off the rim while driving. Not advised, not very sensible. That's a stupid thing to do. Put this spare on and piss about with the tyre. No one's opinion on the matter?
Stupid, Nathan.
Oh, anything else you want to add?
No, I
Do
think
you
that...
advise me to carry on driving?
No, I told him to pull over a little while ago when he noticed it going flat, but typical Nathan, he knows best, apparently.
How'd that go?
He never knows best. But he still hasn't learned yet that Dawn knows best. And you should listen to Dawn at all times.
Do you want to shoot ahead, Dawn? And we're nearly made it home actually, but do you want to shoot ahead and show them how bad it is?
Yeah. So, as you can see, we've ditched her. And here. No, he doesn't look so bad now because he's jacked it up a little bit, but... But here you go. Here is the offending tyre.
Nice thick sidewalls. I think they lasted.
Lovely.
It was the last corner that should have got us. So. Okay, so we actually managed to fit the inner tube ourselves and inflate it, and somehow it seems to be holding air. It's worked alright. So my cunning plan is to let the other tyre down. It's got a slow puncture. Rally stage it around the block until the wheel falls off, or the tyre falls off the wheel, and then put the inner tube in and see how that goes. So the first one was easy, so this second one's probably going to be struggling. Probably going to be struggling the second one, but we're going to film it this time. We didn't film it with that wheel because we didn't think it'd work, but it did work. I'm boring myself now, so I'm going to get in, let the tyre down, do stuff. Okay, we've now learnt a new technique for breaking the beam, the seal on the tyre.
Oh, that was a good one.
Have you done it?
I don't know.
Go on, Dawn, jump. Oh yeah, it might need a team effort. Let me just mount the camera somewhere precarious. On the toolbox. Can we see anything? Oh, let's all adjust on it. Other side. Use your heels, right? Use your heels.
Wait, you can't do this one that easy, you won't get off.
Okay, got it. Dawn jumping up and down on a tyre.
Getting my daily exercise.
Like I said, these videos are just things what we do. We don't recommend anything we do ourselves, and these more professional ways. Yeah, there's more professional ways of doing things. It's just like an insight. Oh, we'll just.
There's air in it.
Well, I'll let a bit more out. I thought it was flat.
No,
Okay.
it's really not, look.
Alright.
Now we're just letting some more air out.
Don't do that, Dawn, that looks wrong.
Oh, I'm just shaking.
Yeah, but I've got my head bent down.
Oh, I'll do it that way then. Jump on it a bit. It lets the air out quicker.
Not trying to.
I didn't say twerk, Nathan. What are you doing?
Oh, work.
This is the worst video ever. So now Nathan is just ramming random objects inside to try and pull the inner tube out. So we've now got the old inner tube out and we're just putting the new inner tube in. So we've put the valve under already.
Yeah, put the valve in first. So we're not professionals at this, it's just we've kind of fluked it before, the first one.
And it worked, so we're going to try it again.
Yeah.
Except this tyre hasn't completely come off the wheel very well, so
Yeah, it won't
it's
be,
a bit of a
it's still
tighter
sitting
fit.
on.
Nathan with his very nice girly garden gloves. So now he's basically just trying to tuck it under.
A blunt instrument.
Yeah, so it doesn't burst the pop or pierce.
Oh, we're doing the whole thing over again. Yes, again, there's probably the correct tools you can use to do this procedure. Yeah. But we wanted to take it to a garage, don't we?
Yeah, apparently there are no garages that know how to do inner tubes. So, especially ones that are open on a Sunday anyway. Which is quite amazing. But...
Oh, don't break the rubber.
2 minutes down, isn't it?
No, it's going, it's going.
Better than the last one, I think, isn't it?
That's a slow, tedious procedure that Rome's tyres weren't inflated in one day. Okay, now took the in-tube in the tyre.
Sorry, you look shattered.
It's easy. Any idiot can do it. This is not for me to recuperate this drink of water. I'm going to pour water around the tyre, the rubber, to make it a little bit durable, is that the word?
Lubricated.
Lubricated? Wet?
Yeah.
Pour it all over the electrics of the tyre inflator.
Yeah.
Right, and then we'll just start to gradually put a bit of air in so it sorts itself out, and then once it sort of looks like it's inflating kind of in an evenly fashion around the tyre, we'll smack it on full power and pop that bead back on. Right, here we go. Lost the dust cap.
Oh, I know where it is. I put it in a safe place.
I'll turn your engine off, so yeah.
Alright, well I'm recording, so hurry up.
I think it's never in tube in quite successfully. It's all gone up alright. Can't hear any hissing. So we'll put it on the Landrover and see what happens. Dawn?
Yeah.
Oh, my nose is doing it. Don't get out on camera. Dawn, your experience about fitting in tubes? Would you rate it?
Crap.
Oh.
But save some money.
Well, not really, because no one wanted that money, did they? Nobody wanted that money. I'd gladly pay someone to do this job, but no one wanted to do it. But yeah, so that's how to fit in a tube.
How to not fit in a tube.
How to not fit in a tube into an old Landrover's tyres. And yeah, and we'll fill you in later on if they stay up. So far so good. It's not on the Landrover yet, but okay. So that's rain. I'm using spanners to put my wheel nuts back on because I haven't got a wheel brace. I'm in everyone's way.
Now we're in the way of the car.
Fucking that, doing really well. Don't forget to subscribe to Tactical Travels, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and what else? Twitter. For more crap adventures and how to work on cars very badly in
And how
unsafe
to
manners.
not work on cars.
Yeah. Thank you and goodbye.
One day, baby, we'll be old. Oh, baby, we'll be old and think about the stories that we could have told. One day, baby, we'll be old. Oh, baby, we'll be old and think about the stories that we could have told.